Halim Sir, we care youngsters. Welcome to my YouTube channel. IELTS Speaking Practice Cell, a journey inside you. Let's start. Part 1. Take a mirror in front of you. You can speak English with your mirror like an examiner. You have to speak English in front of the examiner face to face. After listening 15 minutes exam, he will give the score of speaking test. So practice more and more after listening my question. Okay, part 1. In part 1, you have to speak about neighbors. How often do you see your neighbors? Why? Why not? Do you invite your neighbors to your home? Why? Why not? Do you think you are a good neighbor? Yes. If yes, you have to say why. If not, you have to say why not. Has a neighbor ever helped you? Why? Why not? You have to give your answer spontaneously and fluently. Part 2. In part 2, you'll have to talk about the topic for 1 or 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. The examiner will give you a cue card like that. This is a cue card. The examiner will give you this card and you will get 1 minute to prepare your answer. Then you can speak minimum 2 minutes. This card is describe a very difficult task that you succeeded in doing as part of your work or studies. You should say what task you did, why this task was very difficult, how you worked on this task, and explain how you felt when you had successfully completed this task. Okay, part 3. Discussion topics. The examiner will ask you some questions and you have to give answer face to face. So you have to practice with mirror or with your friend or teacher. Part 3. Difficult jobs. What are the most difficult jobs that people do? Why do you think some people choose to do difficult jobs? Do you agree or disagree that all jobs are difficult sometimes? Personal and career successes. How important is it for everyone to have a goal in their personal life? Is it always necessary to work hard in order to achieve career success? Do you think that successful people are always happy people? Very good. Wishing you a golden future. Dear viewers, write your feelings to the comment box of this video or my Facebook page, Halim Sir. Thank you. Goodbye.